Good morning, students. So, we were continuing our this chapter, A Turkish Judge. This is a quite an interesting story. Yes. So, up to where we have completed? Please take out the page number 45. Yes. So, up to here we have completed that. Now, the case hearing was there. First hearing was of whom? Oil merchant and porter. Second was of writer and tailor. Now, finally the caliph and the old man were called before the Qadi. The Qadi addressed the old man. Why have you repaid the generosity of a stranger with ingratitude? What is the meaning of ingratitude? The state of not feeling or showing that one is grateful for. I will make sure you mend your cunning ways. From this day on, you will be employed at the court, and it will be your duty to extend courtesy, means polite behavior that shows respect for other people, to all the travelers who come to Basra. Now, whose case was there? The case of caliph and old man. Now, what did the Qadi address? He told old man that why you are taking advantage of a stranger? Huh? That man helped you in your hard time, and what you did? You just took away the horse. So, what punishment he gave? That to the old man, that the old man will remain at the court, and what he will do? He will show the respect for the people who will come to Basra. That means to all the travelers who will be coming to Basra, the old man will give respect to them. Good traveler, he said, turning to the caliph, I know that the horse belongs to you. Take it and continue on your way. May your kindness and generosity be better rewarded in the future. Now, looking at the caliph, the Qadi told that you are a good traveler and this horse belongs to you. Take it, your horse, and just continue your ride. And may this kindness and generosity rewarded in the future. The caliph was amazed at the justice given by the Qadi. He thanked him, stepped to the back of the room, and waited until everyone except the Qadi had left the courtroom. So now the caliph was amazed by hearing those words from the Qadi as he was doing the justice. So he thanked Qadi, that means the judge, and stepped to the back of the room. That means he was standing at the back of the room and just waiting that when everyone will leave the room, he will talk to the Qadi. Then he approached him and said, Honored judge, I am in awe. What is the meaning of awe? A feeling of great respect mixed with surprise. He said that I am in surprise of your wisdom. How did you give such accurate and just judgments without evidence and witness? How did you give? That you were having no witness, you were having no judgments. How you have done such a better judgment without any evidence and witness? These cases have all been very simple, said the Qadi, smiling. Did you not hear? The oil merchant said that he had carried that piece of gold for many years. I put the coin into a glass of clear water. Tiny drops of oil came to the surface. That proved to me beyond doubt that the coin belonged to the oil merchant. So now the Qadi answered to the caliph that all the cases were quite simple. You have not heard what did the oil merchant told? That that piece of gold was with him for many years. So what did the Qadi do? He put the old coin into the glass of water, and in the glass of water what happened? The tiny drops of oil came to the surface of the water, which proved that the gold coin belongs to the merchant. That is very clever indeed, said the Caliph. But do tell me how you knew that the book of learning belonged to the writer. So now in the second case, how you come to know that the book belonged to the writer, not tailor? That case was also quite easy to settle, replied the Qadi. On looking closely at the book, I found that the pages most used were those on which the duties of writers and scholars were written. The book belonged to the writer. Now, the next case, that the book of learning, Caliph asked, how you know that it belonged to the writer? So, the Qadi said that it was also quite simple case. He looked the book closely, and what he found, that the pages that were more used were which one? On which was written the duties of writers and scholars. So he came to know that the book belonged to the writer. Your judgment is most wise, exclaimed the Caliph in admiration. What is the meaning of admiration? Feeling of respect. But how could you tell that the horse was rightfully mine? Now the Caliph told that your judgment is very wise and with respect. And now he was asking that how you come to know that the horse belongs to me? Can you tell me? Late night I had your horse put in my stable. Both you and the old man would have to pass the stable on your way to court. This morning I opened the stable door and stood behind a bale of hay. When the old man passed, the horse never looked up, but when you passed the open door, the horse stretched out its head and neighed as horses do only when a loved master approaches. So you see, my friend, the matter was very simple after all. So cleverly the Qadi replied that this case was also very simple. What he did? He put the horse in the stable, and in the morning the old man and the Caliph both were passed through there, and when the old man passed, what happened? The horse did not look to the horse, but when the Caliph passed, what happened? The horse stretched out its head and neighed. And when did the horse do this? When they love their master. Yes, so this proved that the horse was of Caliph. Your wisdom is indeed beyond compare. Compare means cannot be compared, and excellent. Qadi, said the Caliph. Then revealing his true identity, he said, I am Caliph Harun al-Rashid, honest judge. I now make you the Grand Qadi of Baghdad. Now, up to now, what he was? Caliph was just a common traveler. Now he told the true identity of his, that he was a Caliph Harun al-Rashid. What do you mean by Caliph? He was the head of the state, which Baghdad, head of the Baghdad, and now he make him Grand Qadi of Baghdad. Now the head of the state, that means the Caliph Harun al-Rashid, made Qadi the judge of his own state, that is Baghdad. So dear students, just read this story. This is quite an interesting story. Thank you.